well-wishers who may happen to chance upon our website and would like to browse through its contents. I am Alison Peister and I am the principal of this lovely school, DPSG Faridabad, a school which we believe very clearly, as mentioned here, touching hearts and changing lives simply because we care. I would like to introduce you to the school and let you know what exactly the school stands for. We believe that we would like to put young people of character, integrity and substance out into the world of tomorrow. And to do that, we have a very beautiful structured, what we call the Curriculum Design Document 2020, which by the way aligns itself beautifully to the new Education Policy 20, which has just been released by our Education Department. What we look for in a student of DPSG is a complete package. A package where the child is trained not only in the scholastic domains, but also in what we call the foundational domains. These foundational domains are actually built up of skills and competencies in ICT, in visual and performing and vocational arts, as well as in clubs and societies, and most important, we also look at what we fondly call ADVP, which is attitudes, dispositions, values and beliefs. As I mentioned, it is the complete package of the child which we are looking out for. And to do this, we have a team of beautifully dedicated and well-trained, professionally developed staff and with us in the school. These teachers have been given a lot of training in how to deliver this program, and the children who are in our school benefit from it. As I was telling you, that this is a school which possesses every tool required for the child to receive a holistic education. Just recently, our management introduced us to and implemented the 3D lab. This 3D lab actually maps the entire curriculum of science and mathematics from the nursery level right up to class 12. And as we all know, what we see, we tend to remember much more than what we hear. The other thing I would like to talk about is that we have a very, very good academic plan for each class and for each student. The complete syllabus is actually broken up into a number of UIs, which is units of inquiry. And these units of inquiry is further subdivided into a number of sessions, a number of transactions to deliver this unit of inquiry to the children. So what I am trying to say, it is a structured plan, well developed and a very effective plan. It is the entire purpose, the observations, the transactions, the reflections, the assessments, each and every component of this academic plan is well mapped out to deliver the best and most effective teaching learning process for the child. We have moved a long way, let me tell you. We have moved away from the old system of didactic learning and we have moved into a very comprehensive learning rather than teaching process. A process which is student-led and inquiry-based. What do I mean by student-led and inquiry-based? It is a system where the child discovers for himself. He paths his own journey. He plots his own way ahead in conjunction and with help of the teacher. He explores, he discovers, the world becomes, so to speak, his oyster, and his study patterns and plans, the transactions that happen in the classroom are all being actually motivated and driven by the student. The teacher becomes the facilitator. The teacher becomes a guide. The teacher has moved away from the system of simply filling an empty vessel with knowledge. So while knowledge and concepts are important, what is even more important is the developing of skills, developing of 21st century competencies. Because when we look around into the world of today and tomorrow, it is not just knowledge that works. And while knowledge is definitely important, and I am not belittling that, what is even more important is making our children very skill oriented, able to tackle tasks successfully, to handle time management, to handle organizational skills, to work in a team collaboratively, to understand what it means to be a good citizen, to understand the roles and responsibilities as we as individuals need to have in today's new Gen Next, what we speak of. And with all this, I feel that being a principal of many, many long years, in fact, I would say 33 years worth of experience, this DPSG society has provided a curriculum where children are holistically developed. Children lead the learning. Children develop for themselves, and they do because they understand. They speak because they comprehend, and they are happy to be part of a team, to collaborate and work together. Thank you.